Hi everybody, Jon Sharp, Hardenbergh Insurance Group. Thanks for joining us again. As you know, we're here because of COVID-19 and the market disruptor that it's been for all industries, big and small. We felt like it would be helpful to our clients and our friends in the community if we brought specific professionals in specific areas to you for a question and answer. So today, I'm pleased to bring Matt Bagell. He's the owner of BJL Wealth Management. BJL is a full-service financial planning firm headquartered in Marlton, New Jersey. Welcome, Matt.
John, thanks for having me. Hope you're doing well.
Doing great. Let me ask you the first question. The market has been back and forth because of COVID-19, especially in the last 3 weeks. Can you give us a few reasons for the up and down?
Yeah, the stock market, you have to think the market and the economy, really have to separate them. The market is a future economic indicator. So right now, the market, if you think back to mid-February, the virus wasn't even in the United States and the market already started free falling, and we had our fastest drop from a high to a bear market in history. And over the last couple of weeks, you haven't seen much. If anything, the news has been pretty bad for the economy, but you've been hearing potential flattening of the curve. You've been hearing some positive news about vaccines, and all those things are bringing the market back up. So sometimes you can't really just look at the economy when you think of the stock market. It actually swings down or up just based on potential things that are going to happen.
Okay, let me ask you, what's the best advice you can give us in regards to our investments during this time period?
Right now, the overall advice is less is more. So when I talk to my clients, especially if you have a long time horizon, so we're talking 5 years or more, retirement accounts, you're going to make more money in the long run by staying the course. If you pick the strategy that matches your situation, this is not a time to sell. And if anything, this is a time where the market's at a discount. So overall, the history of the stock market, it goes up. So when I talk to clients, the only thing I'm really confident that I can say in this uncertain time is the market is going to be higher in the future.
COVID is here, as we're talking about right now, and it's going to be gone hopefully sooner rather than later. Can you share some of your thoughts on what the new normal will look like in your field after COVID-19 is gone?
Yeah, well, the stock market, let's think about like 2009. And one of the reasons I talk about timing, the market, when it hit its bottom, the economic news was still not great. And you can't really predict the timing of the stock market. So what we're saying to clients, and I say staying the course, is the market's going to come back and it will reach new all-time highs. If you believe in innovation and companies and people, if you don't think the world's coming to an end, I tell clients to keep it simple. The market will recover and it's only going to be better in the long run. So when I see after COVID, life may be different, some of the economy is going to change, things will take time to come back, but realize the market doesn't wait. It will be ahead of the economy, and if anything, it'll probably be up before we even catch up to where we were economically before all of this happened.
Anything else that you can share with us during this time period that are things that you think would be helpful for us to know?
Well, with regard to the stock market, as I said, long term, I say to my clients, be proactive in your life. Like right now, if times are tough with cash flow, maybe your job, your income is less, proactive. There's a lot of special, there's loans out there, the ways you can defer some of your payments. So you're really going in there to be protective right now over the next few months or a bit longer until things come back to more normal. But in your retirement, if anything, you'd be more active, and if you have the cash flow, then invest more. You're getting a discount right now overall. So I really like to put your money to work if you can. If not, save on your personal side and stick to your strategy in the long run.
One last question for you, Matt. Because of COVID-19, the large majority of us have been working from home, and I know you're working at home right now. Can you tell me what your favorite activity is when working from home?
I've been talking to people about their job. My job's actually been as busy or busier. I'm on the phone all day. So I'm pretty much on phone, on video. I mean, you can see Zoom. It's been one of the highest stocks out there. So my activity at home at night when I get a break, probably like most people, is watching Netflix or anything. There's no sports right now. So when I get a break at night, it's kind of catching up on some of the streaming options while I'm at home and getting a little more time to be with the kids. But overall, my personal activity has been working just as much or more.
If someone wants to get in touch with you to talk more about some of the tips and suggestions you gave us, what's the best way for them to do it?
You can email me, mbagell@bjlwealth.com, or my cell phone is my business line right now. So 609-330-6508, working 7 days a week. Clients, any type of business or economic questions or retirement, feel free to reach out. Be happy to help.
Great, Matt. Thanks for joining us. Really appreciate your time today.
Thank you, John. Stay safe.